Dear students, today we are going to solve question number 7. Find the sum to indicated number of terms in each of the following progression. Geometric progression. Makhada piriba geometric progression singsigi indicated number of terms ki sum putho'o haiba. The number 1 ki GP 0.15, second term is 0.015, third term is 0.0015. Sigi nangi 20 terms ki sum puthokadoini ko. Question number 7 said nang ZP san itosiko. First write the given geometric progression. The terms of the ZPs are 0.15, 0.015, 0.0015. CP re. Nangi first term is 0.15, second term is equal to 0.015, and find common ratio R. Common ratio R is given by second term divided by first term. 0.015 divided by 0.15. 0.15 means 15 the 100 na divide tawre, 15 the 10 na divide tawre ko. 15 by 100 reciprocal lore. To the 10 by 15. Denominator of denominator di becomes numerator ni 10 by 15 the ito duga 0 0 ka 15 15 cancel tawre ko. 1 by 10 ki value di 0.1 ni 0.1 haibasidi kaitay hantare 1 day hantare ko. Mathang the S20 say A 1 minus R to the power 20 divided by 1 minus R sitareba. Nangi sum of first n terms of the geometric progression ki formula se nangi common ratio R sina 1 dagi hantha taragadi 1 minus R to the power 20 se ki formula se use torani A 1 minus R to the power 20 divided by 1 minus R. 0.15 and 1 minus common ratio R 0.1 to the power 20 divided by 1 minus 0.1 sitare ko. The 0.015 divided by 0.9, 1 minus 0.1 to the power 20. Mathang the 15 divided by sigi 0.015 se. Koina 15 by 100 haiba maga amasina 9 by 10 haiba maga iba yareba duna 15 by 90 da thamba yare ko kaktanaraba matungda duna 1 minus nangi 0.1 to the power 20 ani sigi khaidong na base 0.9 dagre ko 15 na sigi 90 da divide to base 1 by 6 dagani si ahan bada koina 5 na ka 5 na kakpa kan 3 by 18 phange aduga 18 ga 3 ga se 3 na divide to the 1 by 6 phange ko duna nangi sum of the first n terms of the geometric progression is 1 by 6, 1 minus 0.1 to the power 20. Siga manarani ba. Next question is question number 11. Evaluate 2.3k summation of 2.3k and k varies from 1 to 11. K ki value se 1 dagi horaga 11 ba nangon piriba expression sigi sum puthokadoini ko. Summation of 2 plus 3 to the power k sineba k varies from 1 to 11. Duna ahan bada khuna k ki value se 1 thamgani 2 thamgani last 11 thamsi ko. Putting k is equal to 1, we get first term of the sequence, first term of the series 2.2 plus 3 to the power 1, second 2 plus 3 square, third 2 plus 3 cube, and last term say 2 plus 3 to the power 11. Sitare ko. Then separate first term and second term. First term ga second term ga separate tore. 2 2 2. 2 2 2 say 11 terms ki sum tare ko. Then second term since the grouping same 3 to the power 1, 3 square, and 3 to the power 11. 2 2 2 submanaba number say 11 terms power plus the means 2 multiplied by 11 plus 3 to the power 1, 3 square, and 3 to the power 11 have a kai kamanai sum of geometric progression ne nangi first term se r tare common ratio so r tare ko and number of terms of the sequence is equal to 11 and so by the sum to n terms of the series, and this sum will be equal to 3 to the power 11 minus 1 divided by 3 minus 1, which is equal to 22 plus 3 to the power 11 minus 1 divided by 3 dagi 1 lokthokradi plus 2 tare ko sinang LCM lore plus 2 phange 2 into 20 to 44 plus 3 to the power 11 minus 3 sumina nangi sum to 11 terms of the series se evaluate to yare ko. Mathangi question se question number 12. The sum of the first 3 terms of AZP is 39 by 10 and their product is plus 1. Find the common ratio and the terms. Nangi geometric progression amagi sum of the first 3 terms. Ahanba term ahumgi sum se 39/10 ni ko, and their product is equal to +1. Then find the common ratio and the terms. Common ratio ga kaiga putho haiba nangi terms ahum do go hotuini. Question number 12. Nangi problem amada 3 terms aina involve taw taragadi nangi number se sigi mong de losiko. Let A by R, A and the AR be the 3 terms of the ZP. ZP do gi term ahum se A by R ne, A ne, AR ne, ahum sinen loreko. Then we have question na piri se the sum of the first 3 term is equal to 39/10 ne ba do A by R, A, AR is equal to 39/10. Stagi nang ni A common lau to 1 tare. Duga sidagi 1 by R phange, R ga phange ko. 39/10 si LCM lau kanda R phange. Dudi sigi R ga 1 ga multiply to wagi R laisere ko. Aina sida R common logi bagi sigi value 1 is the 1 laisere. Mathang da R thamo, mathang da kai tham tare R square thame ko. R multiply to naradi R square. A by R 1 plus R square kya ga manare 39/10. Sibaw de nang equation number 1 phange, and the product of the 3 terms is equal to 1. A into A by R into AR se 1 tare ko. 1 tar this the R cancel tore A cube ki value se 1 phange. Taking cube root on both sides of the equation, value of A is equal to +1 tare ko. And from equation number 1 we get nang sigi A gi value se equation number 1 da hapo. 1 by R 1 plus R square is equal to 39/10 phange. Dudi 1 sigi 10 se sina 1 plus R square da multiply tawro 39 dana R na multiply tawre. Cross multiplication gi matungina 10 plus 10R square is equal to 39R. 10R square thame 10R thame ko. Sigi term se transpose tawro minus 39R plus 10 is equal to 0. 10R square ani se nang difference lawro minus 29R plus 10 is equal to 0 phange. 10R square minus sigi se nang quadratic equation ne. Quadratic equation in R ni ko. Sigi R sida quadratic equation oitaraga the splitting method na separate tawsi ko sigi middle term se. 10 da 10 na multiply tawradi 100. Koina number ani puthokani ba number ani gi plus tawbase minus 29 lakadaba. Do number ani se negative nga tawrani ko. 10R square minus 25 ka 4 ga da split tawre plus 10 is equal to 0. Ahan bagi term ani stagi common factors khale 5R. 5R common lawradi 2R minus 5 minus 2 common lawre ko. 2 times of R minus 5 is equal to 0. Common factor se 2R minus 5 ne aduga 5R minus 2 0 tare ko. Aduna either first expression 0 or last expression 0. First term si the R gi value se 5/2 tare. Aduga second expression dana 2/5 sumaina. Nangi R gi value se ani phange ko. Amana 5/2 amana R/2 se nangi common ratio ne ba. Then we have to write all the 3 terms of the ZP. ZP sigi term ahum isi ko. Hojik first term se 1 tare. Common ratio gi value di ani phangi ko. Hence the 3 terms of the ZP are 1, 2/5 and 5/2 nangi terms ahum se. A by R ga AR ga ahum se sumai managi ko. Si managi ba matamda nangi ahan ba de A se 1 thame. 1 thamadi nangi ZP sida first term sina 1 tare. Aduga common ratio se A di dung 1 tare ko. Common ratio R se 2/5 haba 5/2 ga neba. Nangi terms of the ZP se A by R, A and the AR gi form the labor ne. Ahan ba de A se 1 thamo common ratio R se 5/2 nen khalasi ko. This is the A 1 da 5/2 na divide tawradi 2/5 tare ko. Sinangi first term ne 1 thame aduga last term sina AR haibani na 1 into 5/2. Sigi term mo laijare. Second gi se muyeng se ko. Nangi common ratio R sina 2/5 oitardi 1 divided by 2/5. Reciprocal already 5/2 tare ko. 5/2 ne 1 ne 2/5 ne sumaina. Nangi terms of the sequence ibayarani. Amana ascending order de lere, topa mana descending de lere ko. Next question number 14. Question na pase. The sum of the first 3 terms of a ZP is 16 and the sum of the next 3 terms is equal to 1 to 8. Determine the first term and the common ratio. first term common ratio putho haireko and find the sum to n terms of the ZP. Nangi geometric progression amagi ahanba terms ahumgi sum se 16 ne and the sum of the next three terms is equal to 1 to 8. Determine the first term and the common ratio and find the sum to n terms of the GP ko nangi GP sigi n terms ki sum putho haiba. Dudi khona GP amagi problem holagadi A sina first term nena lore, R sina common ratio nena khale ko. Let us suppose that A be the first term and R be the common ratio of the CP, and it is given that the sum of the first three terms A1 plus A2 plus A3 16. Write A1 A, second term AR, A3 will be AR square 16 tare ko. A common log to 1 plus R square 16 tare, question number 1. And the sum of the next three terms ahum suba term dagi mathang da leba term ahum haitar de A4 A5 A6 tare ko 1 to 8. A4 general form da ito AR cube AR4 AR5 is equal to 1 to 8. Again AR cube se common already 1 plus R square is equal to 1 to 8 tare ko. Sinang equation number 2 tharo. By using or by solving equation 1 and 2, we have to find the values of A and R. A ga R ga putokadabaneva. Dividing equation number 2 by equation number 1, we get 2 the 1 na divide toreko. AR cube 1 plus R square divided by A. 1 plus R square is equal to 1 to 8 divided by 16 tareko. Duna si 1 plus R square cancel tore. A cancel tore R cube. Sigi 1 to 8 to 16 na divide tawuse 8 fange 8 tareko. 8 se kaigi form the iba 2 cube fine iba. And by solving this equation, we get the common ratio of the geometric progression R is equal to 2, which is greater than 0. Nang 0 day ko common ratio fange. And so putting the value of R in equation number 1 or equation 2. 1 natraga 2 nang ningbam da hapo aduga kaigi value putokane, we have to determine the value of A. A lere ko 1 to 2 square nang R gi value hape 16. 1 plus 2 plus 4 16. A is equal to 7 tare 7 16 by 7 phangi ko nangi common ratio R na 2 ne first term sina 16 by 7 tare. Then we have to write the sum to n terms of the GP. Nangi GP sigi n terms ki sum itokse. Common ratio R se koina 1 0 dai chawba maramna sum of the n terms of the series will be equal to A R to the power n minus 1 divided by R minus 1 si phange ko. And 16 by 7 2 to the power n minus 1 divided by 2 minus 1 si tare. 16 by 7 2 to the power n 2 minus 1 gi value di 1 tare ko. Sumaina nangi sum of the first n terms of the series a iba. Mathangi question se question number 16. Question pass ko. Find a GP for which the sum of the first two terms is equal to minus 4 and the fifth term is 4 times of the third term. Geometric progression ama puto sum of the first two terms nangi ahanba term ani se minus 4 tare and the fifth term nangi manga suba term se 4 times of the third term oebuko adugi sigumba geometric progression amagi magi term singde loina iyo hairani ko. Question Mathangi question da question number 16 gi answer ni ko. Let A be the first term and R be the common ratio of the GP, and it is given that question appears kaino the sum of the first and the second term is equal to minus 4. A1 A na sile, A2 AR na sile ko minus 4. A common log to the 1 plus R is equal to minus 4. Ready question number 1. And the fifth term is equal to 4 times of A3. Third term hai ko. A5 is equal to 4 into A3. A5 AR to the power 4 into AR cube haitar di A cube haitar di AR square si tare ko. Duna hozi A kakthana re. Duna R square habisi kaiga manare 4 tare ko. R square divide to thokre. And taking square root on both sides of this equation, possible values of R are plus 2 and minus 2. R ki value se ani phange plus 2 haibamga minus 2 haibamga ko. Now putting the value of R in equation number 1, we can determine the values of A. If R is equal to 2, R ki value se na plus 2 lauraga di A ki value se minus 4 divided by 1 plus R ni ko. Minus 4 divided by 1 plus 2 minus 4 by 3 phange. If R is equal to minus 2, then a is equal to minus 4 divided by 1 minus 2. Minus 4 by minus 1 minus minus plus tareko. Yun na r na 2 already. Nangi first term se minus 4 by 3 fangi. R na minus 2 already. Nangi first term se kaiga manare plus 4 tareko. And therefore the geometric progression ZP is equal to nangi first term se minus 4 by 3 ne nakalo. R sina plus 2 ne nakalaga ZP is equal first term minus 4 by 3 multiply by 2 minus 8 by 3 multiply by 2 minus 16 by 3 sumain tawraga nangi term sing se generate tawneba. Second case tana if se nangi a sina 4 oraba common ratio r sina minus 2 itaragadi terms of the ZP se first 4 multiply by minus 2 minus 8 minus 8 multiply by minus 2 minus plus sigi form the chatkani ko. And question number 16 gi ZP se ani thokna leirani sina first term minus 4 by 3 common ratio 2 sina first term 4 and a common ratio r is equal to minus 2 sina plus 2 oiba sina minus 2 oiba ko sigi form the later. Mathangi question se question number 18. Find the sum to n terms of the sequence se special series ni ko 8 88 88 888 sigi piriba series se AP soi de GP soi da bani ko as the piriba nangi sequence sigi sum puthokadaba series puthokdoine sub series se up to n terms pawgi oidoine nang ahanbada khoina kai lore let Sn denotes the sum of the first n terms of the series sequence n terms of the sequence the 8 plus 88 plus 888 plus up to n terms nangi sequence ki term mayam se sum oiraga di series kore ko nang plus 8 common lau to 1 plus 1 1 tare 1 1 1 plus n terms ni aduga nangi kaino se la denominator and numerator sida koina 9 amana multiply to seba si mathak ta su 9 si makha da su 9 multiply to re ko 9 divided by 9 1 tagre ni 8 by 9 9 multiply to silo 9 9 9 9 plus dot 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 up to n terms duka nangi style riba 9 se kaina sinba yagani then 9 can be expressed as 9 simok style riba 9 se 10 minus 1 99 can be expressed as 100 minus 1 and 999 can be expressed as 1000 minus 1 see up to n terms pau da koina apply tawdini ko 8 by 9 10 minus 1 100 can be expressed as 10 square minus 1 1000 can be expressed as 10 to the power 3 minus 1 so mine up to n terms pawgi sum puthosiko the grouping same first term kai grouping and second term kai grouping same first term 10 to the power 1 plus 10 square plus 10 3 10 to the power n minus 1 the n terms pawgi sum puthok tare 8 by 9 sikai tage this is the sum of the geometric progression ki first term se 10 ni common ratio r su 10 ni and number of terms of the ZP is equal to n ni ko and 10 to the power n minus 1 divided by 10 minus 1 minus n 10 minus 1 9 tare ko it should be divided by 8 by 9 8 by 9 into 10 by 9 10 to the power n minus 1 minus 8 by 9 multiply by n sitare 80 divided by 81 10 to the power n minus 1 minus 8 by 8 da kaina divide tawre 9 na duga n tare ko si kai gi value no have kanda nangi ngasai p gi ba special sequence to gi n terms ki sum gi expression oidoini next question number 21 question number 21 kai hagi yangsika find four numbers forming a geometric progression in which the third term is greater than the first term by 9 nangi third term duna first term dagi kya hele ba mapan hele ba ko and the second term is greater than the fourth term by 18 second term na fourth super term dagi kya hengre 18 hengre ko dugi nangi number mari do kai kai oiga duino question 21 let a be the first term and r be the common ratio of the ZP nangi first term sina a ohele common ratio r sina small r na denote ko and it is given that third term is greater than the first term by 9 haiba third term ga first term ga khaidong na base 9 ta ga da haibadi and third term na first term da heli se mapan ne ba ko a3 general form the iro ar square minus a 9 tare a common ꯂꯧꯊꯣꯛꯑꯗꯤ r square minus 1 9 ꯇꯥꯔꯦꯀꯣ right equation number 1 ꯃꯊꯪꯗ second termꯅ 4 ꯇꯒꯤ ꯍꯦꯜꯂꯤꯁꯦ 18 ꯍꯦꯜꯂꯦꯕ second term minus a fourth term will be equal to 18 ar cube 18 ꯇꯥꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯅ ar common ꯂꯧꯊꯣꯛꯑꯗꯤ 1 minus r square is equal to 18 ꯑꯗꯨ ꯁꯤꯗ minus ꯅ multiply ꯇꯧꯁꯤ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ r square ꯅ ꯃꯃꯥꯡ ꯊꯪꯕꯅꯤꯅ r square ꯅ ꯃꯃꯥꯡ ꯊꯪꯍꯟꯁꯤꯀꯣ multiplying both sides of this equation by minus 1 we get r square minus 1 is equal to minus 18 sina nang equation number 2 phangeko equation number 1 ga 2 ga solve tawraga a ga r ga puthoktoini aduna gp gi oinadi divide tawrani dividing equation number 2 by equation number 1 we get equation number 2 r square minus 1 divided by r square minus 1 minus 18 that 9 na divide tawreko a cancel tawre r square minus r square cancel tawre r leme r gi value se minus 2 kaidagi less oire which is less than 0 0 dai less oire ko so from equation number 1 1 da nangi r gi value se half se equation 1 hari se r square a into r square minus 1 se 9 tae ko nangi r se minus 2 phange putting the value of r in equation number 1a minus 2 square 4 minus 1 is equal to 9 3a is equal to 9 dividing both sides by 3 value of a is equal to 3 pare ko and therefore first term se 3 tare common ratio r is equal to minus 2 pang first term na 3 common ratio r minus 2 phange ko hence the four terms of the cpr nangi first term common ratio na multiply tawada 3 into minus 2 minus 6 minus 6 into minus 2 12 minus 2 minus plus 12 into minus 2 minus 24 so minus nangi number hum se phangani for today let's end here